Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very easy and unique recipe, Kunafa Cups. These are crispy, creamy and absolutely delicious. The best part is that they look fancy but are actually very simple to make at home. So let's start with the recipe. First I have taken a pan and added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, I added 1/4 cup of sevai, which is also known as vermicelli. To this I added 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix everything properly while stirring continuously. Make sure to keep stirring so that the sevai doesn't stick to the pan and sugar melts evenly. Now let's prepare the creamy filling. In another pan, I added 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk for this recipe. Then I added 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and mixed it well until the sugar completely dissolves in the milk. Next, I added few drops of vanilla essence. This step is optional. Now comes the important step. I added 2 tablespoons of cornflour and started stirring continuously so that no lumps form. After that, I added 1 processed cheese cube. I broke the cube into pieces before adding it, but it will be better that if you grate it because grated cheese melts faster than mixes smoothly with the milk. Now keep stirring continuously until the cheese melts completely and the mixture becomes smooth, thick and creamy. This step will take about 2 to 3 minutes for sure, but once the cream mixture is ready, allow it to cool slightly before assembling the cups, and this is how it is made. Now let's assemble our Kunafa cups. First I added a layer of sevai mixture at the bottom of the cup and then pour the creamy milky mixture on the top of it. I have just repeated the steps again and again. This is how I have made it. You can just customize according to your wish. So after that, again I have added the sevai mixture and just spread it evenly. And then again I added the creamy mixture. I'm just repeating the steps. So in whichever container you are making, you just repeat the layering if you want. For the final touch, I added a little more sevai mixture around the sides of the top, like sides of the cup, instead of covering the entire top. This will look more royal and obviously good. This gives the dessert a more beautiful presentation. For decoration, I added a circle of chopped pistachios in the center. You can also use chopped almonds or any nuts you like. And finally, I placed 2 strands of saffron in the center to give it a rich and elegant look. And that's it. Our Kunafa cups are ready, crispy from the sevai layer and creamy from the delicious milk filling. This dessert is perfect for festive occasions, dinner parties, or whenever you want to make something special at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself, and one more thing, please let me know if you like my recipes or not and what kind of recipes you want to see in the next video. Bye bye, take care.